You like it when she's right there.
Thank you, Peter.
You're a nut. He's a nut.
It's yours.
I already fed up, but I didn't feel like he was still there.
Crazy baby. Are you funny?
What's he doing?
Just being goofy, rocking back and forth.
The wonderful Latica and
No music, anything, just making his own fun.
taught me
Anything but eat.
so much about writing.
Want your food?
And it's
You want your food?
changed my life. And finally,
What's your food? What's your food?
thank you so much to Danny and Christine for the two of us to give. Thank you very much.
Look at Mom. Look how crazy.
Please welcome Jennifer Aniston and Jack Black.
Jennifer Aniston and Jack Black.
Talking squirrels, romantic robots, and superpowered dogs.
These are just a few of the ways producers describe actors behind the back.
And to those of you who have ever thrown anything at a director, the nominees in this category are a reminder that we are becoming very quickly obsolete.
No eating for
Not
you.
that bad,
No,
actually.
you
I make more money doing animation than live action.
Just not.
Really? I didn't make that much money when I did the Iron Giant. Get some, like, special animated career strategy?
Oh, yeah. Each year I do one DreamWorks project and I